Exercise 5A, question number 10. Simplify minus 1 upon 4 having power 2, having power minus 2, having complete power minus 1. We know P upon Q having power A, having power B can be written as P upon Q power A multiplied by B. Similarly, we can write this minus 1 upon 4 power 2 having power minus 2 having power minus 1 can be written as minus 1 upon 4 power 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. It becomes minus 1 upon 4 power 4. Now, on solving it, the value becomes 1 upon 256. This is the answer. Question number 11. By what number should minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 8 raised to the power minus 1? Let the number is equal to x. So we can say minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by x, it becomes 8 raised to the power minus 1. It can be written as minus 1 upon 5 multiplied by x is equal to 1 upon 8. Now, we can find the value of x. It is 1 upon 8. When this value comes there, it becomes divide. It can be written as 1 upon 8 multiplied minus 5, because division is the reciprocal of multiplication. So it becomes minus 5 upon 8. This is the answer. Let us say question number 14. Find x such that 3 upon 5 having power 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 having power minus 6 is equal to 3 upon 5 having power 2x minus 1. We know a upon b having power x multiplied by a upon b having power y can be written as a upon b power x plus y. Similarly, we can write 3 upon 5 power 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 power minus 6 can be written as 3 upon 5 power 3 minus 6, or it is equal to 3 upon 5 power minus 3. Now, this value is equal to this. On equating, three upon 5 power minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 power 2x minus 1. We got these two values are same. Okay, so their powers are equal. We can write minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. It can be written as minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2x. This value becomes minus 2 is equal to 2x, or we can say x is equal to minus 2 upon 2, which is minus 1. This is the answer. Question 15. Simplify 3 to the power 5 multiply 10 to the power 5 multiply 25 divide by 5 raised to the power 7 multiply 6 raised to the power 5. We can write it three to the power 5 multiply. The factors of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5 power 5. 25 can be written as 5 square divided by 5 to the power 7. 6 can be written as factors of 2 multiplied by 3 having power 5. Now we can write this is 3 having power 5 multiplied by 2 having power 5, 5 having power 5 multiply 5 square divided by 5 to the power 7 multiply 2 having power 5 multiply 3 having power 5. Now we can write 3. Now this is 5 and this is 5. We can write 5 minus 5 here because it is in divide. 2, 5 minus 5 here also multiply 5 power. Now these two powers get add 5 plus 5 and this got subtract minus 7. Sorry, this is 2 minus 7. So now it becomes 3 to the power 0 multiply 2 to the power 0 multiply 5 to the power 0. It becomes 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. It is 1. This is the answer. Question 16. Simplify 16 multiplied by 2 की power n plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 2 की power n divide by 16 multiplied 2 की power n plus 2 minus 2 multiplied 2 की power n plus 2. This 16 can be written as 2 having power 4 multiplied 2 power n plus 1 minus instead of 4 we can write 2 square multiplied 2 की power n divide by 2 की power 4 multiply 2 की power n plus 2 minus 2 multiply 2 की power n plus 2. This can be written as 2 having power n plus 1 plus 4, it is n plus 5 minus 2 power n plus 1 divide by 2 power n plus 6 minus 2 power n plus 3. Now we can take 2 power n plus 1 common. It becomes 2 power 3 minus 1. Now I am taking 2 power, sorry this is 2, again n plus 2 common from there. It becomes 2 power 4 minus 1. These values get cancelled. Now this becomes 2 power 3 minus 1 divided by 2 power 4 minus 1. It is 8 minus 1 upon 16 minus 1. It is 7 by 15 answer. Question number 17. Find the value of n. We are having 5 to the power 2n multiplied by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 9. We can write x to the power a multiplied by x to the power b can be written as x to the power a plus b. So we can write it as 5 to the power 2n multiply 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 9 can be written 5 to the power 2n plus 3 which is equal to 5 to the power 9. Now when we equate the powers on equating power, we got 2n plus 3 is equal to 9. This can be written as 2n is equal to 9 minus 3, or we can say 2n is equal to 6. Similarly, we can say n is equal to 3. This is the answer.